This is the 128 GB SD card, micro SD card, which I am planning to use for my Raspberry Pi 5. Raspberry Pi 5 needs an SD card to hold the Raspberry Pi 5 operating system. I opened the external cover and this is what is seen inside. 128 GB SanDisk Ultra. Polythene or plastic cover has been removed and this is the actual 128 GB disk. They say that anything less than 2 terabyte disk can be used for Raspberry Pi 5. This is the reverse side showing the connectors. I can count 3 plus 3 plus 2, 8 connectors.